So today on our agenda, we are going to take a look at conjunctions. And involved with that, we are going to explore effective teaching strategies for grammar concepts. And this grammar concept being conjunction of how can we implement this into our lessons and why. The next one is to take a look at practicing engaging grammar focused games and challenges. This is our Ready Student Go, which is a monthly workshop that we like to reoccur just to help teachers gain some inspiration on different activities. As we know, sometimes when we are faced with a blank canvas, it can be quite challenging to just come up with any form of activity. The last part is to learn how to make learning grammar games fun and interactive for our students in our lessons. So here at Happy Teachers, we are we find pride that we are a community. We want to share ideas with fellow teachers and make sure that when we do our lessons, it doesn't feel like such a lonely journey. For some of us, we feel like we're the only one who has to come up with everything. So here we share ideas. So if you have any ideas, please share them with us in class as well. Oh, in class, listen to me in our workshop. Teacher D has prepared us some activities where we can explore some of these different concepts. So Teacher D, please take it away.